इस वक्त की सबसे बड़ी खबर। जबलपुर संभाग के पूर्व कमिश्नर बी चंद्रशेखर अपने साथी अधिवक्ता अमित बलभद्र के साथ पहुंचे मध्य प्रदेश हाईकोर्ट। लांजी के पूर्व सरपंच योगेश रामटेक्कर के प्रकरण में हुई जबरदस्त बहस। जी हां, कल दिनांक 9 मई को जबलपुर संभाग के पूर्व कमिश्नर व बालाघाट जिले के पूर्व लोकप्रिय कलेक्टर श्री बी चंद्रशेखर अपने साथी अधिवक्ता अमित बलभद्र के साथ मध्य प्रदेश हाईकोर्ट पहुंचे, जहां लांजी के पूर्व सरपंच योगेश रामटेक्कर के प्रकरण में लगभग 1.5 घंटा जबरदस्त बहस हुई। श्री बी चंद्रशेखर ने जबरदस्त बहस करते हुए अपना पक्ष रखा। लांजी के पूर्व सरपंच योगेश रामटेक्कर के द्वारा बनाए गए राशन कार्ड के चलते उन पर पुलिस प्रशासन के द्वारा झूठा अपराध पंजीबद्ध किया गया था। सरपंच रहते हुए सन 2009 में योगेश रामटेक्कर द्वारा एक व्यक्ति का राशन कार्ड बनाया गया था। व्यक्ति द्वारा सन 2011 में राशन कार्ड को पिस्टल के लाइसेंस बनाने में दस्तावेज के रूप में प्रयोग किया गया था, जिसके चलते व्यक्ति के साथ योगेश रामटेक्कर को भी लांजी पुलिस द्वारा गंभीर धाराओं में सह आरोपी बनाया गया था। हाईकोर्ट में बहस के दौरान श्री बी चंद्रशेखर का जबरदस्त प्रशासनिक अनुभव देखने को मिला। आइए देखते हैं हाईकोर्ट में प्रकरण की सुनवाई का कुछ अंश।
In fact, my lord, I was duty bound to issue ration card as a campaign as per the control order of 2009. There was a campaign, my lord. More than 1,000 ration cards were issued in that campaign.
Yes.
And my lord, I've been suffering for last 12 years for no fault of mine. And I would attract Lordship's kind attention to what appears to be a mala fide intention on the part of the police to implicate me in this matter. If you, Lordship may kindly refer to the very FIR, which is on page number 34, 17 of my petition, annexure 1. It is on 17, you know.
And you come to section 463.
463?
Definition of forgery.
Right. 463 reads as under, my lord. Forgery. Whoever makes any false document or false electronic record or a part of a document or an electronic record with intent to cause damage or injury to the public or to any person or to support any claim or title or to cause any person to part with any property or to enter into any express or implied contract or with intent to commit fraud, or that fraud may be commits forgery. Now, my lord, forgery is basically making of a false document, which is defined under section 464, which I may read. Making of a false document. A person is set to make a false document, a false electronic record first, who dishonestly and fraudulently A. makes, signs, seals or executes a document or a part of a document, makes or transmits any electronic record or part thereof, part of any electronic record. C. affixes any electronic signature on any electronic record. D. makes any mark denoting the execution of a document or the authority of the authority of the electronic signature. Now, these are the cases, but when with the intention of causing it to be believed that such document or part of a document or electronic record was made, signed, sealed, executed, transmitted, or affixed by the authority of a person by whom or by whose authority he knows that it was not made, signed, sealed, or executed. So I would have committed forgery if I knew that I was not a sarpanch and I was signing it as a sarpanch. Second, who without lawful authority, dishonestly or fraudulently by cancellation or otherwise alters a document or an electronic record. So it is about alteration, Lordship. And there's no alteration in this matter. So this is not applicable. So I'm not reading in entirety. Thirdly, who dishonestly or fraudulently causes any person to sign, seal, execute, or alter any document or an electronic record or fixes his signature, knowing that such person by reason of unsound mind. So I'm actually compelling someone or conceiving some with deception, I am making someone sign a document who I know is not in his senses. Now, these two later conditions, second and third, my lord, are not applicable in this case. But the first one, as has been also.
And you are the issuing authority as per this ration card. जारी करने वाले अधिकृत अधिकारी के हस्ताक्षर.
Yes, sir. As the head of the Gram Panchayat, I issued it.
Yes. So have you placed on record this BPL list in order to, because you issued this ration card on the basis of BPL list. In BPL list, his name was mentioned at serial number 42/2470.
That's true, sir. And I don't make that BPL list. It is made by the officials.
Is it there on record, BPL list? Because you must have verified it from the BPL list. Because if his name was there in the BPL list, you issued it mechanically, right? You just,
right,
on the basis of BPL issued this.
Not
Where is
mechanically.
that BPL list?
No, that BPL list is in the Panchayat, and that it was not issued mechanically. Yes. There were two steps followed in this matter. There was one declaration, which was the requirement of issuance of the ration card, which was taken from the applicant, Seven Singh. Yes. And also the residence certificate issued by the Panch of that ward in whose house he resided then.
Yes.
Based on two documents, it was issued. And the entire procedure was followed. And I was a competent authority to issue that.
It was not issued on the basis of those documents. You come to ration card serial number 4. That ration card serial number 4, please read that. What is that? गरीबी रेखा सर्व सूची में क्रमांक इतना इतना.
Yes, yes.
Where is that list? Did you produce this list before the paper? Authorities that this is the list, and on the basis of this list only ration card was issued. Because yes, so far as that list is concerned, that is not issued by Sarpanch.
That is not prepared by Sarpanch.
So where is that list?
That is not with us right now, my lord. We can submit it, but my humble submission is that it is actually immaterial, because the allegation against me is of forgery.
Yes. And
there's no way I could forge the document. And for this, I would rely on one of the very landmark judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court in Ibrahim versus State of Bihar.
Yes.
And that is reproduced verbatim in my application.
Yes.
On page number 11.
Connected value होगी देना, connected.
Page number 11, my lord.
42.2 देना, 42.2.
Page number 11, where the Honorable Supreme Court has gone in great detail and expounded and interpreted with great clarity.
Yes.
When an offense under section 465 is, or rather 464